How to wire money for closing? Well, you'll need to first of all confirm, doubly, triply confirm the wire transfer details before sending any money over. This is the single most important takeaway from this video. Please call your attorney to confirm the wire account details and make sure you don't just have it in writing, because there is a risk that for example, an email account at your attorney's firm could have been compromised, maybe a phishing attack of some sort, someone pretending to be sending from your attorney's office and sending you false wire details. So please doubly check. If you have one set of details, call their office. Sometimes they will require it. Call their office to verbally confirm with someone, ideally your attorney, someone who you met, who you know, to confirm the wire transfer details doubly as well over the phone. And then in addition, who should you be sending the money to? Well, technically it's the escrow agent. So in New York, where the buyer and the seller both have an attorney, you typically will be sending, for example, the signed contract with a personal check, usually for the contract deposit when you first sign the contract, to the seller's attorney, who will be then holding the funds in escrow. And then before closing, you typically need to wire the balance again to the seller's attorney. In Florida, for example, where there's just one closing attorney, it's that closing attorney's escrow account that you will be needing to send funds to. So again, the most important takeaway is to triple, quadruple check the details, call them, ideally speak with them on the phone, read out the numbers aloud, the account and the routing numbers, make sure it's the same, it matches, there's been no hacking or anything or phishing emails sent around, and then send. Just because if you are the victim of wire fraud, there's not much you can do to remedy it, unfortunately, and there's many horror stories out there. Just don't be one of those. And of course, if you're looking to save money when you buy and sell property in New York and Florida, you can do so. Hauseit.com. Check us out. You can save 6% when you sell in broker commissions and 2% back or more when you buy with a Hauseit buyer closing credit.